Oh my god, that is a really got a 30% off. Do not buy this card. All the tools that are included in this. Killer deal on some power tools and some sockets that I found on the web. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell. Don't forget to follow us on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. All right, let's go ahead and get started. So guys, we got a 30% off coupon items under $10 for regular people. And we got for Inside Track Club members, you got 30% off of items under $20 for the Inside Track Club. Don't click off yet. Check this out. This is under on clearance under $10. This is $8.49 with the coupon. Guys, go get them at the stores. I already made a video. A lot of you already got these. Let us know in the comment section who got these. Run to the stores. You can check online. Look for those. See if they still have them at your stores before you even go out there. So make sure you guys punch in those numbers and check on harborfreight.com. Guys, let's go ahead and get started with the video. Alright, do not buy this card. Yes, I repeat, do not buy this card because it'll be on the parking lot sale. It'll be for $197. Wait for them and get it, guys. This is a solid deal. It'll last a really long time. I've had one of those before and those are solid. These are $14.99. I can't, say anything about these because I don't know. Same thing with these. I'm pretty sure decent, for DIY, all these sockets and everything. Those impact sockets, however, are just a whole different ball game. I've known professionals and I've used them all my life, and I never broke one. Those screwdrivers, I don't know how good they are. I never used them. Those pliers are pretty good. $9.99, guys. Also, if you used any of these products, let us know in the comment section if they're good or they're trash. Talking about clearancing, check these out. This is a really nice set. It's a 3/4 inch metric impact deep socket set, 8 piece for $34.99. This is a really good deal. They come with the case. It tells you the sizes right there. You got a dual bevel sliding miter saw, 10 inch down to 214. That's not bad. This is one of the newer ones that they have. Alright, so talking about the two for $99. This is a killer deal. Guys, run and get them. These are solid deals. They are including batteries. They're including tools. This is a hammer drill, 1/2 inch hammer drill. $79. It's gonna, if you buy two of them, it's gonna be dropped down to $50 a piece. This one it is the 12 volts, so those qualify for a free battery. So they're running a whole different deal for the 12 volt here. But this is one of the impact wrenches that they have. Buy two for $99. That's a really good deal. Keep in mind that impact wrench, it's for, I think I managed to get around 250 foot-pounds of torque. You can get maybe 270. I don't know if they upgraded the model or not, but keep that in mind. Next one down, we got impact driver and drill driver, two 5 amp hour batteries, charger. Well, this will get you a free battery if you buy this kit. I'll definitely wait for a sale, guys. You can probably get them cheaper if you buy them separately. Guys, the high torque impact wrench. Yes, this is a high torque impact wrench. You guys heard me right. This is $159. It's gonna drop down to two for $99. Oh my god, that is a really good deal, smoking deal. These are solid. These are very comparable to the Milwaukee, the DeWalt's, to the Rigid, to the Ryobi, whatever you want to compare this. These are a beast. They stand by their side. They do offer a 5-year warranty on the brushless tools, and those are really good values. All right, here you guys get this is pretty much all the tools that are included in this deal. You got the hammer drill, the 100 reciprocating saw, the impact wrench, the impact driver, guys. That is a solid tools. If you guys haven't seen that beat the Milwaukee or beat the DeWalt, make sure you check out my videos. I did tool test versus videos on those. The high torque impact wrench with an extended anvil, the 8 amp hour battery. That's a good one. The shop blower there. What is that? The sander. You got the polisher, the 3/8 impact wrench, and the angle grinder. So there's different ones you guys could get. I would definitely choose the polisher and that high torque impact wrench. I mean, those are the best deals. The polisher, the angle grinder, or the high torque impact wrench. Yeah, definitely the best deals. That 8 amp hour battery too. Really good deals. All right, those are the new ratchets, by the way. If you guys haven't noticed them, those are the Bauer new ratchets. Um, and then the batteries, guys. The batteries, the 8 ampere batteries that I was telling you, you guys can get two for 99. Killer deal. All right, talking about another different type of deal. Now, this is the modular storage system for the Bauer. Keep that in mind. This is a lighter duty use. If you're a contractor, if your tools don't weigh a lot, and you're not gonna be carrying all sorts of heavy equipment in here, then go for the Bauer. Here are the measurements. Actually, pretty decent measurements. These are pretty good, very comparable to the other brands. But if you're gonna be carrying like heavy equipment, filled with power tools all the way to like 4 feet, 5 feet tall, even taller than you, then go something else. Shop somewhere else. Not unless they come out with the Hercules brand or something that's tougher. Anyways, that's it. These are all killer deals. These deals, actually, the coupon deal is only for today only. This is the only day that's left. I know I should have posted it just yesterday, but it happens. And the other one, I think you guys got a few days on it. So, but definitely check it out. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.